Today we're going to set up our Summa cutter to be used with ImagePrint Red. Open your cutter settings and set the model and set the connection to USB or the IP address of the cutter. Next thing we want to do is make sure we set a cut force. This is set in the software and not on the cutter's front panel. When we're ready to print, hit the print icon at the top and the job will be sent to the spooling system. We can open our spooler using the spooling icon on the far right. We can see the job being sent to the printer, and once the job prints, we can load that sheet in the cutter. Now it's important to load the sheet in the proper aspect. So the orientation should be the bottom of the sheet goes in first, and we should see the barcode at the upper right when we're looking straight on at the cutter. Align the sheet. Grip rollers should always be at the edge of the media. Raise the bar and the cutter will measure the media, moving it forwards and backwards and the cutter head across the media. Now we're ready to go back to our spooler and send the cut job to the cutter. Find your cut job and then use the red scissors to send the cut data to the cutter. Once the cut data has been received by the cutter, you'll hear an audible sound and the front panel of the cutter will change. You'll need to now position the cutter's knife over the first registration mark. Do this by moving the arrows forward and backwards and side to side. Once you have it positioned over the cut head, you're going to hit the check mark. The cutter will now look for the registration marks before it begins to cut the job. The job will now start to cut. We'll speed it up here to get through this. And once the job finishes the cut, you can lower the bar in the back, remove the sheet, and remove each individual item from the page.